Hi, I'm Ed Del Castillo, Director on Rise of the Argonauts and President of Liquid Entertainment. And today we're going to give you a little backstory on Jason. The first thing that the player sees is this kind of wedding ceremony coming together. And we get to a point where Jason exchanges his vows with Alcime, his bride-to-be. And before she gets the chance to give him that same honor, she's murdered. She's assassinated by an incredible bowman who's firing from an amazingly far distance. The Greek equivalent of a sniper takes her out. And so he goes after the assassin, and the whole opening sequence, you're killing the people who are helping the assassin, and you're chasing after this assassin, and of course it's going to culminate with a confrontation with the assassin. And it's just a very powerful beginning, a more powerful beginning than you're used to seeing in most RPGs. But that's what we wanted to do, because that's the kind of bold step we're taking apart from RPGs.
We dive right in. There's no tutorial. There's no lengthy, series of screens you have to go through in order to try and learn all the mechanics. We throw you right into the fray and have you learn on your feet. And Jason ends up fighting his way throughout the palace and ultimately delivering vengeance upon this assassin. As Jason's going through and wrapping things up, he ends up discovering that this assassin was aligned with Akati. This was sort of one of the old gods, someone from before the Age of Olympians.
Our legends speak of heroes who have done wondrous things, things that would have been deemed impossible until they were done. And of those deeds, the greatest were done for love. I'm going to Delphi, Uncle. I'll find my answers there.
Jason starts off as a king. Jason starts off well-trained. Jason doesn't start off as some rugrat who's running around killing pigs. RPGs always make you start off doing the things that are just grunt work and just janitorial. And I'm really proud of the fact that from the very beginning of this game, you start off being someone cool. You start off being someone who people bow to and people have reverence for and who people know. And you build on that. And I think that's really great. That you go from being good to great, not from being sucky to good.
So then Jason and Hercules basically set off aboard the Argo, again this massive warship that's been constructed in his honor, travel from island to island throughout the ancient mythological Greek world, trying to find the next clue that'll guide him on his journey for the Golden Fleece.
There's only one person in whose eyes I find my measure, and that's Alcime. You may have given up on your daughter, but I haven't, and I never will.
I'm Charlie Price, lead designer at Liquid Entertainment. Rise of the Argonauts comes out in fall 2008. Be sure to check it out on Xbox 360, PS3, and PC.